What is FTP and why is it important? FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is one of the most widely used methods for transferring files from your local machine to a web hosting server. It allows you to manage website files in a structured and organized way, ensuring that everything is in place for your site to run smoothly. Think of FTP as a bridge between your computer and the hosting server. Instead of manually copying and pasting files, FTP allows you to seamlessly transfer entire folders, update existing files, and maintain a well-structured website. To use FTP, you need three main things. 1. An FTP client. This is a software application like FileZilla, WinSCP, or CyberDuck that helps you connect to your hosting server. 2. FTP login credentials. These include your hostname, usually your domain name or server address, username, password, and port number. 3. A hosting server, which is the location where your website files will be stored and accessed by users. Using FileZilla to upload files. FileZilla is a free and powerful FTP client that makes it easy to transfer files between your local computer and your web server. Let's walk through the steps of using FileZilla to upload your website files. To download and install FileZilla, visit the FileZilla website and download the FileZilla client, not the server. Install the software on your computer. 2. Connect to your hosting server. Open FileZilla and go to File, then Site Manager. Click New Site and enter the following details. Host. Your domain name or server IP, e.g., ftp.yourwebsite.com. Username and password will be provided by your hosting provider. Port. Default FTP port is 21. Click Connect to establish a connection with your hosting server. 3. Upload website files. Once connected, you will see two panels. Left panel, Local Site, this displays files on your computer. Right panel, Remote Site. This shows files on your hosting server. Navigate to the folder containing your website files on the left panel. Drag and drop the files into the public HTML folder on the right panel. This is the root directory for most websites. 4. Verify the upload. Once the transfer is complete, open your web browser and type your domain name to check if the website loads correctly. Why use FTP? 1. It is efficient for large files. Unlike cPanel's file manager, FTP can handle large and multiple files more efficiently. 2. Faster bulk uploads. You can transfer entire folders with a single action. 3. It supports file management. You can rename, delete, and move files directly on the server. Using cPanel's file manager. If you don't want to use an FTP client, cPanel's file manager provides an easy-to-use web interface for managing your website files. It allows you to upload, edit, delete, and organize files directly from your web browser without needing extra software. To access cPanel's file manager, follow these steps. 1. Log into cPanel. Go to your hosting provider's cPanel login page, usually something like yourwebsite.com/cpanel. Enter your cPanel username and password. 2. Open File Manager. In the File section, click on File Manager. Navigate to the public_HTML folder. This is where your website files should be uploaded. 3. Uploading files. Click the Upload button. Select the files from your computer and upload them. Once the upload is complete, return to public HTML to confirm that the files are in place. For editing and managing files. File Manager also allows you to create, edit, move, and delete files directly within cPanel. If needed, you can change file permissions to control who can read, write, or execute a file. To edit a plain text file, follow these steps. Log into cPanel. In the Files section of the cPanel home screen, click File Manager. In the File Manager main window, select the file that you want to edit. Click the Edit icon. When should you use cPanel's File Manager? For quick file edits, if you need to modify a single file, File Manager is easier than using FTP. If you don't want to install software, Unlike FTP clients, File Manager works directly in your browser. For small uploads. If you are only uploading a few files, cPanel's File Manager is convenient. You have learned how to upload your website files using FTP and cPanel's File Manager. You are one step closer to launching your website. These methods give you flexibility and control over how you manage your site's files, ensuring a smooth and efficient deployment process.